Nutrition is a fascinating field that delves into the intricate relationship between food and our bodies. Did you know that the average human body is made up of about 37.2 trillion cells? And each of these cells requires a constant supply of nutrients to function optimally. This highlights the importance of understanding how nutrition impacts our health and well-being. When we consume food, we are not just satisfying hunger. We are providing our bodies with the essential building blocks needed for growth, repair, and energy production. It's like fueling a complex machine with the right of fuel to ensure smooth operation. In fact, the human brain alone consumes about 20% of our daily energy intake, emphasizing the crucial role of nutrition in cognitive function. The food choices we make can have a profound impact on our overall health. For example, a diet high in processed foods and sugar has been linked to an increased risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. On the other hand, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help prevent chronic diseases and promote longevity. According to the World Health Organization, inadequate intake of fruits and vegetables contributes to approximately 2.8 million deaths worldwide each year. This staggering statistic underscores the importance of incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into our diets. As we delve deeper into the world of nutrition, we will explore the role of macronutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, as well as micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. By understanding the science behind nutrition, we can make informed choices that support our health and well-being. Macronutrients are the essential components of our diet that provide us with energy and support various bodily functions. Let's delve into the fascinating world of macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are often labeled as the body's primary source of energy. Did you know that 1 gram of carbohydrates provides 4 calories of energy? This makes them a quick and efficient fuel source for our bodies. However, not all carbohydrates are created equal. Simple carbohydrates, found in sugary foods and drinks, can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, while complex carbohydrates such as whole grains and vegetables provide sustained energy and essential nutrients. Proteins are the building blocks of life, playing a crucial role in muscle development, immune function, and hormone production. Interestingly, proteins are made up of amino acids, of which there are 20 different types. 9 of these amino acids are considered essential, meaning our bodies cannot produce them, and we must obtain them through our diet. Animal sources like meat, fish, and dairy are complete proteins, containing all essential amino acids, while plant-based sources like legumes, nuts, and seeds can be combined to form complete proteins. Fats often get a bad rap, but they are vital for our health. Fats provide a concentrated source of energy, with 1 gram yielding 9 calories. They also aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Unsaturated fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil are considered heart-healthy and can help lower cholesterol levels. On the other hand, saturated fats, found in animal products and processed foods, should be consumed in moderation to reduce the risk of heart disease. Understanding the role of macronutrients in our diet is essential for maintaining optimal health and well-being. By striking a balance between carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, we can fuel our bodies effectively and support our overall vitality. Micronutrients, namely vitamins and minerals, may be required in smaller quantities compared to macronutrients, but their role in maintaining optimal health is equally significant. Vitamins are organic compounds that are essential for various physiological functions in the body. For instance, vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is well known for its role in supporting the immune system and promoting collagen production for healthy skin. Interestingly, humans are one of the few mammals that cannot synthesize vitamin 3 internally, making it crucial to obtain an adequate amount through diet. On the other hand, vitamin 4, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, is unique as it can be synthesized by the body when the skin is exposed to sunlight. Despite this, many individuals worldwide are still deficient in vitamin 4, which is concerning given its role in calcium absorption and bone health. Moving on to minerals, these inorganic compounds play various roles in the body. from maintaining fluid balance to supporting nerve function. One particularly fascinating mineral is iron, which is essential for the formation of hemoglobin in red blood cells. Iron deficiency is one of the most common nutrient deficiencies globally, affecting around 1.62 billion people worldwide, with pregnant women and young children being particularly vulnerable. Another essential mineral is calcium, crucial for bone health and muscle function. Surprisingly, nearly 99% of the body's calcium is stored in the bones and teeth, highlighting its importance in maintaining skeletal integrity. Zinc is another vital mineral that acts as a cofactor for numerous enzymes involved in metabolism, immune function, and wound healing. Interestingly, zinc deficiency is estimated to affect around 2 billion people worldwide, particularly in developing countries where diets may lack diversity. The interplay between vitamins and minerals is intricate, with certain vitamins enhancing the absorption of specific minerals. For example, vitamin 3 can enhance the absorption of non-heme iron from plant-based sources, while vitamin 4 facilitates the absorption of calcium in the gut. Conversely, some interactions can hinder absorption, such as high calcium intake interfering with the absorption of iron and zinc. Achieving a balance of vitamins and minerals through a varied and nutrient-dense diet is essential for overall health and well-being. By understanding the roles of these micronutrients and their impact on various bodily functions, we can make informed choices to support our health and vitality. The process of digestion and absorption of nutrients is a marvel of biological engineering, involving a series of intricate steps that ensure we extract the maximum benefit from the foods we consume. Did you know that the small intestine, where most of the absorption takes place, has a surface area equivalent to that of a tennis court? This vast surface area is lined with tiny finger-like projections called villi and microvilli, which increase the absorptive capacity of the intestine, allowing for efficient nutrient uptake. In fact, the small intestine is so efficient that it can absorb up to 95% of the nutrients present in food. However, the journey of nutrients doesn't end there. Once absorbed, nutrients pass through the bloodstream to reach various tissues and organs where they are utilized for energy production, growth, and repair. The process of digestion begins in the mouth, where enzymes like amylase start breaking down carbohydrates. As food travels through the digestive tract, it encounters a barrage of digestive enzymes and acids that further break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates into their constituent parts. Interestingly, the stomach lining secretes hydrochloric acid, which is potent enough to dissolve metal, yet it plays a crucial role in breaking down food and killing harmful bacteria. The pancreas secretes a cocktail of enzymes into the small intestine to aid in the digestion of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. The liver also plays a vital role by producing bile, which helps emulsify fats for better absorption. This intricate dance of enzymes, acids, and secretions ensures that the nutrients from our food are broken down into smaller molecules that can be efficiently absorbed and utilized by the body. Nutritional requirements vary at different life stages, reflecting the unique needs of each developmental phase. Infants, for example, have high energy requirements to support rapid growth and development. Breast milk, often referred to as liquid gold, provides the ideal balance of nutrients for newborns, including antibodies that boost their immune system. Interestingly, breast milk composition changes throughout the day and over time to meet the evolving needs of the growing infant. Moving into childhood, nutrient needs remain high to support physical growth, cognitive development, and immune function. It's estimated that children need more nutrients per kilogram of body weight than adults to fuel their active lifestyles and growing bodies. Adolescence marks a period of rapid growth and hormonal changes, requiring increased intake of nutrients like calcium for bone development and iron for blood production. Surprisingly, teenagers have been found to have lower intakes of essential nutrients like calcium, iron, and vitamin D, putting them at risk for deficiencies. As we transition into adulthood, nutrient needs stabilize, but remain crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Interestingly, adults over the age of 50 often require fewer calories but higher amounts of certain nutrients, like vitamin B12 and calcium, due to changes in metabolism and bone health. The elderly population faces unique challenges, including decreased appetite, reduced absorption of nutrients, and increased risk of malnutrition. In fact, it's estimated that 1 in 3 older adults is at risk of malnutrition, highlighting the importance of tailored nutrition interventions for this demographic. Understanding the changing nutritional requirements at different life stages is essential for promoting optimal health and preventing nutrient deficiencies across the lifespan. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in shaping our health outcomes, with dietary choices influencing our risk of developing various chronic diseases. For instance, did you know that poor nutrition is a leading risk factor for global mortality, contributing to around 11 million deaths annually? This staggering statistic underscores the profound impact of nutrition on public health. In fact, the Global Burden of Disease study found that dietary risks, including high intake of sodium and low intake of whole grains, are responsible for more deaths than any other risk factor. On the flip side, adopting a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can significantly reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. The Mediterranean diet, characterized by its emphasis on plant-based foods, healthy fats, and moderate wine consumption, has been associated with a lower risk of heart disease and improved longevity. Interestingly, the gut microbiome, composed of trillions of bacteria residing in our digestive tract, plays a crucial role in our overall health and is influenced by our dietary choices. Emerging research suggests that a diverse and fiber-rich diet can promote a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn supports immune function, mental health, and even weight management. Nutrient deficiencies can have profound consequences on health outcomes. For example, iron deficiency is the most common nutrient deficiency worldwide, affecting over 2 billion people. Iron is essential for oxygen transport in the blood, and deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and impaired cognitive function. Similarly, vitamin D deficiency is prevalent, with around 1 billion people worldwide estimated to have inadequate levels. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. Inadequate intake of this vitamin has been linked to an increased risk of osteoporosis, autoimmune diseases, and depression. The impact of nutrition on health extends beyond physical well-being to mental health and cognitive function. Research has shown that a diet high in processed foods and sugar is associated with an increased risk of depression and cognitive decline. On the other hand, a nutrient-dense diet rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and B vitamins has been linked to improved mood, cognitive performance, and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. By understanding the profound impact of nutrition on our health outcomes, we can make informed dietary choices that support our overall well-being and longevity. Nutrition plays a crucial role in supporting optimal growth and development, particularly during key developmental milestones in early life. For example, did you know that the first 1,000 days from conception to a child's second birthday are considered a critical window for nutrition? During this period, proper nutrition is essential for laying the foundation for lifelong health, influencing growth, cognitive development, and immune function. Interestingly, a study published in The Lancet highlighted that undernutrition during this critical window can have lasting effects on a child's physical and cognitive development, leading to stunted growth and impaired learning abilities. On the other hand, providing adequate nutrition during this period can have a profound impact on a child's future health outcomes. Nutrient-rich foods like breast milk, fortified cereals, and fruits and vegetables play a crucial role in meeting the increased energy and nutrient needs of infants and young children. In fact, the World Health Organization recommends exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months of life, followed by the introduction of complementary foods to meet the evolving nutritional needs of the growing child. Surprisingly, malnutrition remains a significant global challenge, with around 149 million children under the age of 5 estimated to be stunted due to chronic undernutrition. This highlights the importance of early and adequate nutrition in achieving developmental milestones and ensuring optimal health outcomes. As children progress through different stages of development, from infancy to adolescence, their nutrient requirements evolve to support growth spurts, cognitive development, and hormonal changes. By understanding the impact of nutrition on developmental milestones, we can prioritize nutrient-dense foods that support healthy growth and development in children, setting the stage for a lifetime of well-being. Nutritional disorders and diseases are prevalent worldwide, impacting millions of individuals and posing significant challenges to public health. One of the most common nutritional disorders is iron deficiency anemia, affecting around 1.6 billion people globally. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen to tissues. Without an adequate intake of iron-rich foods, individuals can experience fatigue, weakness, and impaired cognitive function. Another prevalent disorder is vitamin D deficiency, with around 1 billion people estimated to have inadequate levels. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in calcium absorption and bone health, and deficiency can lead to conditions like rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Interestingly, iodine deficiency remains a global health concern, affecting around 2 billion people worldwide. Iodine is essential for thyroid function and the production of thyroid hormones, which regulate metabolism and growth. Severe iodine deficiency can lead to goiter, intellectual disabilities, and cretinism. On the other end of the spectrum, overnutrition and obesity have reached epidemic proportions, with around 650 million adults classified as obese. Obesity is a major risk factor for chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. The rise in fast food consumption, sedentary lifestyles, and marketing of unhealthy foods contribute to the obesity epidemic. Additionally, eating disorders like anorexia nervosa and bulimia nervosa affect millions of individuals, particularly adolescents and young adults. These disorders can have serious physical and psychological consequences, impacting nutrient intake and overall health. By raising awareness about common nutritional disorders and diseases, we can work towards prevention strategies, early detection, and effective interventions to improve public health outcomes. Nutritional recommendations and guidelines are often based on scientific research and expert consensus to provide individuals with evidence-based guidance on healthy eating. For example, the Dietary Guidelines for Americans recommend consuming a variety of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats to meet nutrient needs. Interestingly, the American Heart Association suggests limiting added sugars to less than 6 teaspoons per day for women and 9 teaspoons per day for men. Additionally, the World Health Organization recommends limiting salt intake to less than 5 grams per day to reduce the risk of hypertension and heart disease. These guidelines aim to promote overall health and well-being by encouraging balanced and nutritious food choices. Nutrition is a cornerstone of health, with dietary choices impacting our well-being in profound ways. Did you know that the human gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome, which play a crucial role in digestion and immune function? Surprisingly, the gut microbiome can weigh up to 5 pounds and is influenced by our dietary habits. In fact, research suggests that a diverse and fiber-rich diet can promote a healthy gut microbiome, supporting overall health. When it comes to nutrient deficiencies, iron deficiency remains a prevalent global issue, affecting approximately 1.6 billion people. This highlights the importance of consuming iron-rich foods like lean meats, legumes, and leafy greens. By prioritizing nutrient-dense foods and following evidence-based nutritional guidelines, we can optimize our health and well-being for the long term.